In today's video, I'll teach you how to set up and use Google Family Link. So if you want to use Google Family Link on your device, first of all, what you have to do is download the Google Family Link application. If you have Apple device, open App Store. If you have Android device like mine, what you have to do is open Play Store. Now simply search for Google Family Link and you'll be able to find the application. Go ahead and install it. After you install the app, what you have to do is tap on this option open in order to open the Google Family Link application. Now you can see over here Family Link application has been opened. Now what you have to do is sign in with your Google account. You'll be able to see the Google account selected over here. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all the Google account that has been logged into your device. What you have to do is simply tap on the Google account that you would like to use. Once you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to see the question over here, does your child have a Google account? Over here you'll be able to find two options, yes, no. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, the process for setting up the Google Family Link has been completed on your device. In order to proceed to other steps, you'll have to get your child's device. You'll be able to see the instructions over here. First of all, what you have to do is open the settings. If your child has the Android device, what you have to do is go to Google, then select the option for parental controls. For Chrome OS devices, go to people, then select the option for parental controls. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the instructions in order to set up parental controls. All you have to do is follow through the prompts in order to complete the steps to set up the parental controls. After you do that, the setup will be completed. After you finish, simply tap on the done option that you can see right over here on your device. Now once the Google Family Link setup has been completed, you'll be able to manage your child's account. You'll be able to manage the screen time. You can set daily time limits and a bedtime schedule for their device. Furthermore, you'll also be able to manage apps, contents, purchases, etc. Additionally, you'll also be able to see their location. So like this, you'll be able to use it. So that is how you set up and use Google Family Link. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.